Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace auction plugin. Now this particular plugin will enable the auction feature for your marketplace store, using which the vendors and the admin can add auction in their products and the buyers on the other hand can bid on their products. Now the customers can place four types of auctions that are standard, incremental, automatic, reverse auction. Now kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the OpenCart Marketplace by Webpull, so you'll have to have that first and then you can make use of the OpenCart Marketplace auction plugin. And now in today's video, we'll be checking out the customer workflow at the storefront, how the customers can view the auction products there and the complete collection of the same at the storefront there of the marketplace itself. And apart from that, we'll also see how the vendors can create an auction product from the backend there as well, and how they can view the details of the auction or the details of the buyers or the bidders there in the backend panel under his own account panel. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So now on the marketplace there, the customers can view the complete list of auction products by going to the auction in the header here. So tapping that up basically brings up the complete auction collection. As you can see here, we have two tabs. One is the current auction and the recent winners. Under the recent winners, we'll find the complete list of recent winners. Under the current auction, we'll find the complete list of current auctions in the particular arrangement there. So this is a black leather jacket. You can see the time for it is right now 2 minutes and 34 seconds to go, and it will be closed. So here if I hover my mouse, I can see the start time, stop time, the price or the base price on which we have to bid, the minimum quantity, the maximum quantity that can be purchased for this particular bid product, and we have a bid now button as well. So if I just tap here on the product itself, we'll be taken to the complete listing of the product page or there, and here we'll find the auction label at the top with the countdown timer. As you can see here, the buyer can check the auction details by tapping here the auction. So here the basic current bid is $10, the minimum quantity is 1 that can be purchased, the maximum quantity is 2, the start time, the stop time of the same. So let me do one thing, let me just increase the time there, and then we'll be proceeding further with the workflow at the customer's end. And now under the bid list, here we'll find the complete list of bidders who have bidded on this particular bid product, their bidding amount, the timestamp, and the bid type that was being placed. Here the customers have the option of placing an automatic bid as well, so they have to check this particular option here for the place bid as automatic. Here right now you can see that the automatic bids is 0 right now. And then here the customer can enter the bid price for this particular bidding product there. So right now you can see that there's no price available here, visible here for this particular product. So we'll just go to the auction details, check that the current bid is 10. We'll go ahead and we'll set it as 30 as an automatic bid. So I'll just tap here on the bid now button. You can see that the bid has been submitted successfully. Now if I scroll down here, you can see that the automatic bid is 1. I can tap on that, and this will open up this particular auction bid list section, wherein I can see the normal bid list bidders as well as the automatic bidders. So to show the automatic bidders, I can tap here on the button that I have, that's the show hide automatic bid, and if I scroll down, I can see John Doe has bid for $30, bid time, and the bid type is automatic. Now if I go back, I can place a normal bid as well by entering the bid amount there and tapping on the bid now button thereafter. So this would be counted in what we say as a normal bid. So if I refresh this page now, I can find John Doe with 60 bid amount and the bid time, and the bid type is normal bid that has been placed for this bid product. Now the customers can view the complete list of bidder names for the normal as well as for the automatic bid list depending upon the configuration there. And now going back to the bid product here, now the customer or the bidder can win this auction in three circumstances. One is when if the bid amount is above the reserve amount, I'll show you that in a while from now, and we will be creating a auction product from the admin bag from the vendors account panel there. And if no reserve amount has been set, and at that time of auction, and whenever the auction ends, whosoever has the highest bid, if no reserve amount has been set, then the highest bidder would be the winner. Now if the automatic is set by someone, or the automatic bid has been set up by a bidder there, then the one having the maximum bid is the winner. So these are the three cases. First was if the bid amount is above the reserve amount. The second was when there is no reserve amount, then the highest bidder will win. The third one is if automatic is set by someone, or automatic bid has been set from here, then in that case the automatic bidder with the maximum bid is the winner of the auction there. So right now we'll see how the customer can win the auction as well. So the countdown timer is just 2 minutes away from ending there. We'll also see a message here that we have won the bid. If we have won the bid, then we'll find one label here that would display the same. So this is how the product page appears with the auction label, countdown timer, the auction details, the bid list. Now if I go to the bid list, you can see that John Doe is a bidder there with a normal bid type for $60 there. Under auction details, I can find the current bid is now $70. The minimum quantity, maximum quantity purchase for this particular auction product. So we have just 36 seconds left for this particular auction to end, and let's see the result thereafter. And now only 0 seconds are left. Now the page would refresh and we'll be let know whether we have won the yes, we have won this particular auction, as you can see. Now depending upon the bid that you had placed, according to that, now you can add this particular product into the cart and can make a checkout with that bid amount or there. Now you can see that the price is visible here after the auction has ended for the product there. I can select the size, the color, I can add the product to the cart, and the price in the cart that would be there would be of the bid amount that I've the bid for the amount of that I bidded on this particular bid auction product there. So that was the customers end there. Now let me take you to the vendors end and let me show you how the vendors would be able to create the auction product under their own account panel. So for that, let's head on to the vendor account panel. So I'll just go up and I'll go to my account and my account section. Now here under the marketplace account panel options, we'll find one marketplace auction option here. So you'll have to tap on that, the marketplace auction, and that would bring up the auction list. Initially this would be empty, so you'll have to add the auction products from here by tapping here on the add auction button. And if you have already created any products, you can also edit any of the auction products by tapping on the edit button and the actions column for the respective auction product there. So here you'll find the product name, the auction price, the reserve price, the start time, stop time, the bid status, whether pending or it's closed there, the status of the auction there. So to add a new auction, you'll have to tap here on the add auction button, and that will bring up this particular section here. As you can see, the add auction product, add auction to the product section. So here what you need to do is you need to set the status as enabled, choose the product from this particular section, for example black leather jacket. Set the auction start price, so this will be the auction start price. Here you can, if you want, you can set the reserve price. So this is the reserve price, and the reserve price should always be more than the auction start price there. Then you can choose the start auction, stop auction time. So let me make it as 23, let me make it as 28. Coupon valid days, so here you'll have to provide the number of days till the customer can buy the auction product after the auction has expired. So if the customer has won the auction there, so how many days of validity should be there, so you can enter that up. You can set the minimum quantity of the auction product to purchase, the maximum quantity to purchase. You can enable the increment option You also can enable the automatic option that is visible on the auction product page there for the customers, and then you just need to tap here on the save auction button, and you can see that the particular auction product has been saved successfully. That's the black leather jacket. Now if I go to this particular auction product, I can navigate as a customer through auctions, and here I can find the recent winners and the current auction, and here's our current auction, and only 3 minutes and 57 seconds are left for this particular auction to complete. So after this particular auction ends for the black leather jacket there, only 1 minute and 11 seconds are there. We can find the details under the vendor account panel, who has bidded there and who's the winner and the rest of the things as well. So I'll just show you that in a while from now. So for that, I'll just take you to the back end again, to the part now auction list. Under the marketplace auction on the right hand side panel, we have this particular section, and here's the black leather jacket. So right now you can see that the bid status is pending and the status is enabled. So as soon as this particular thing ends up, I'll show you how the options change here, or how the status and the other bid status changes. And here we'll have a view button under the actions column for the vendors to check. So you can see that the bid has ended, or the auction has ended, and this particular customer is the winner. So now the customer can add the product to the cart there, and you can see that I've added it to the cart, and this was the bid amount that I had bidded for this product on which I won this auction. And using the same price, I can purchase this particular auction product there, and you can see the actual price as well now after the auction has ended. Now coming to the back end there, now let me refresh this particular page here. Now you can see that the bid status is complete, the status is disabled, and we have a view button. So let's view at the details there. So here's the normal bid list. The winning amount is $50, as you can see. The winner status is complete. The automatic bid list, you can see the automatic bid list as well. The winning amount, the bidding time, the bidding amount for the automatic one, the bidding amount for the normal one. The normal one was the winner there for $50, so the amount was $50 there. This was only for $20, so it did not win the particular auction there. So that's how we can basically add the auction products by navigating to the marketplace auction section and tapping on the add auction button there. We can delete, view, check the bid statuses. We can edit any of the already created auctions as well, and how we can view the after the completion of an auction, how we can view the particular winners there. I've shown that as well to you for the normal and the automatic bid there. So yes, that was the workflow of this particular plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.